because the gas is lighter, it floats on top, it pushes down the slurry. And when the slurry is pushed down, it enters the compensation chamber. And what happens is when you open the valves and it is being used on the other side, then the gas pressure reduces in the biodigester. We are first of all testing it here in DOD cow, in DOD, and we are connecting, for example, the component of the biogas. We have connected it to one of our messes, the warrant officers and sergeants mess, and we have been testing it for the past 2 months, where they're using it in the kitchen to cook.
Kama saa hii vile nitaweza kuhakisha mjione haina ile hatari yenye gas iko naye na inawaka moto ile mzuri yenye inatakikana. Hata tangu tuanze kutumia hii biogas imetupunguzia mambo ya kulipa gas. Kwa hivyo wenye kampuni yenye walianzisha ninawaomba wapeleke kwa units zingine wajione, hata wanae pia watumie.
This pilot project aims at replacing LPG at the onset up to around 80% replacement of LPG. And this is a huge saving for the Kenya Defence Forces, because you can imagine feeding all this number of soldiers that we have with the amount of money that you spend on LPG. And of course now in the spirit of mission readiness, with that kind of saving, then you can have that money going into other aspects of enhancing our readiness as the Kenya Defence Forces.
Long time, if you told the soldiers that, you know, we must use gas and not use firewood, it was almost something that was not, going to happen. But today, most of our camps are actually not using firewood. This is something good, because it is the only project where we say, in computing, in IT, you say you put garbage, you get garbage. But here it is the opposite. You put in garbage, but you get gas.
The commissioning of the Integrated Solid Waste Management at the Kenya Defence Forces Headquarters in Nairobi strives to see KDF adopt an eco-friendly environment. Reporting for KDF, I am Ferdinand Sharif.
This has been KDF TV News Updates. Be sure to catch us on our subsequent bulletins. My name is Doreen Kerubo. Enjoy the rest of your viewing.